How does Reddit help with Google and ChatGPT? If you search for a brand on Reddit, what shows up? A helpful review or a 2-year negative thread that ranks on Google and gets put into AI answers? Today, I will explain how Reddit influences Google, ChatGPT, AI search, and how brands actually can use Reddit instead of fighting it. I'm Sabir, founder of redditagency.com, and we help brands manage reputation, visibility, and growth on Reddit. Let's break it down. What does Reddit rank so well in Google? Here are simple reasons. Reddit has main domain authority. Reddits are full of real-world experiences. People search Google using phrases like, is X legit? X, Y, this is Y, best tools for anyone using. Here are examples. Is GoTracks legit? On the first page of Google, you will see those 3 negative posts that currently showing up on this brand. Here is another example. Friendly Diamonds, this, and you can paste any different competitors. And on those keywords, you will see those 3 Reddit posts that also showing up on the first page of Google. Google sees Reddit discussions as real and user-generated, so Google rewards them. That means a single Reddit thread can outrank your homepage, your case studies, your blog content. Here is an example. Vienna Sabor Paris reviews. On the first page of Google, here is Reddit posts that currently showing up from Reddit. And here is their website. It means that in this case, on the first page of Google, people see Reddit posts. And if your Reddit threads are negative, it becomes your brand story on Google. And that's exactly where Reddit impacts AI as well. ChatGPT and other LLMs, they don't just invent opinions. They look for community responses, experience-based answers, real conversations, product comparisons, complaints, and reviews. Here is an example. Is this brand name worth it? In the citations, here is a Reddit post. And Reddit is one of the largest databases of human discussions online. So when people ask, is this tool worth it? What is the best alternative to X? Why do people say this brand is scam? ChatGPT and other AI, they basically show the same what people already speak on Reddit. Here is an example for this brand. Limitations, learning, and also plans. LLMs often rely on Reddit like content patterns, pros and cons, real usage stories, community engagement. If 80% of Reddit conversations about your brand are negative, AI answers tend to reflect that. But if Reddit threads are positive and helpful, AI answers show the same direction. That's why we treat Reddit as a reputation layer for AI search, not just social media. Why Reddit is different from traditional marketing? On Instagram and TikTok, you chase reach. On Reddit, it's not entertainment. On ads, you buy attention. But on Reddit, it's a due diligence decisions. On Reddit, you influence decision-making moments. And that's why exactly Reddit conversations rank. People come to Reddit when they are researching tools, validating purchases, checking if a brand is legit, asking for alternatives, trying to avoid mistakes. A good Reddit thread stays visible, ranks on Google, gets referenced in AI answers, not just for hours, like on those social medias, but sometimes even for years. Most brands fail on Reddit because they post like marketers, push promotions, copy-paste templates. Reddit bans that fast. The brands that win on Reddit, they actually share founder stories, answer real questions, talk about user cases, join existing conversations, and build helpful context. Our work on Reddit agency is focused on reputation management, threat discovery and cleanup, strategic conversations, creating long-term brand, positioning brands inside communities. We don't do spam, we don't do fake hype activity, it's all structured and real participation. Here is the system we use to fix them. Basically, first, before we start with you, we do the subreddit research about your ideal custom profile, then we create content. We send you for the approval. We also do monitoring and replacing negative threads that currently showing up. After that, we create content specifically designed for AI and Google. We give them engagement, upvotes, comments, so it rank on Google and AI. Then basically we send you the reports and we do everything related to Reddit. It's basically end-to-end systems. That's what changes on Reddit. Google results, Reddit sentiment, AI-generated answers, and buyer decisions. What this means for your brand. If you run SaaS, e-com brand, or B2B agency, you should care about those 3 questions. What shows up when people search my brand on Reddit? Do Reddit threads about us help or hurt? If ChatGPT summarizes public sentiment, what does it see? Because today, Google reads Reddit, AI reads Reddit, your buyers read Reddit. And ignoring that doesn't make it disappear. It just means that internet writes your story about you. If you want to appear stronger in Google and AI answers, book a link below. Bye.